Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're looking at the Ridgid RD80746 pressure washer replacement pump. If you're in the market for a powerful upgrade to your pressure washer, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Right off the bat, let me tell you why the Ridgid RD80746 stands out as one of the best pressure washer pumps available. Designed with durability and performance in mind, it's engineered to handle tough cleaning jobs effortlessly. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime on your driveway or revitalizing your patio furniture, this pump delivers. Made from a robust combination of aluminum, steel, brass, and plastic components, the RD80746 ensures longevity and reliability. It's crafted by Ridgid, a brand known for its commitment to quality and innovation in the power tools industry. Let's talk features. This pump boasts a sturdy build, weighing in at 7.69 pounds, making it both powerful and portable. It pumps water at an impressive rate, ensuring you get the job done efficiently every time. What about compatibility? Whether you're using it for residential or commercial purposes, this pump is compatible with a range of pressure washer models. It's versatile enough to handle various cleaning tasks around your home or workshop. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your pressure washer with a reliable, high-performance pump, look no further than the Ridgid RD80746. It's built to last, backed by a reputable brand, and designed to tackle tough cleaning jobs with ease. That wraps up our review of the Ridgid RD80746 pressure washer replacement pump. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.